Hey guys, check out this device I got online. It is a nut splitter or nut cracker. It is basically used for removing stubborn nuts from bolts. Let's say you have a nut you can't remove because it's glued or welded or whatever. You attach this device onto the nut like so, and then you turn the screw, which forces this chisel into the side of the nut, basically splitting the nut into two, opening a gap where you can then remove the nut. So let's see if it's any good. So I've bolted this nut to the bar here. It's very tight, and I've glued it so it won't move, and we're going to try to crack it open with the nut cracker. Let's give it a go. So I'm not so sure if you should do it once on one side and then open the nut, or twice. Well, let's give it a go and see where this goes. So I'm tightening it by hand, and we're going to use a 12mm socket to put it in place. So we're going to tighten it like so. So this is as far as I can go. Let's try and open this up and see what we've done. I'm going to try and turn it a little bit so I can reach it from the other side. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see what we've done. We definitely left a mark, but we didn't crack the bolt, the nut. It doesn't open and it didn't crack. So I've tried this several times in different bolts, and I have managed to make an impression. But no matter what I did, I couldn't break a nut, and this isn't very big. This is not a big sized nut. So it did make an impression and perhaps a little crack here, but it didn't do what it was supposed to do, which is to crack the nut open. So I give it a 3 out of 10. It's a nice design and it's cool. It's made out of sturdy materials, but it doesn't really work. So there you have it. If you are still interested in getting one of these, there's a link in the description below. Have fun.